Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Huawei Mate XS2. Alright, simply open up your WhatsApp. Now click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now you need to find the chats, scroll down a little and click on the chat backup. Alright, and now let's discuss a few important things. Let's begin with the Google account. Let's simply click on that, and that Google account that is currently selected is the account on which our backup will be stored. So for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. So simply remember about it. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. It is a really convenient and comfortable feature because I don't need to remember about making a backup. So if you want, you can pick one of those options. It's also useful to select to include the videos because defaultly this option is also set on off. Below, if you want, we have an end-to-end encrypted backup. In here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Alright, also make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here, and if you want to create a backup, click on this green button. Now the process will start, so let's wait a few seconds. In my case, it's not going to take that long because I don't have that many messages. Alright. And now, that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. We can see when the last backup was made. It was like, 3 seconds ago. And below we can see the size. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.